Why is it difficult for investors to consistently perform in equity market? What are the challenges this investor has to overcome in equity market? We have our financial expert Mr. Chintan Erira with us to answer this. Chintan, over to you.
Again, in the markets, as you can see in front of you, why is it so difficult for anyone to perform in an equity market? Because the winners or the sectors keep changing. I'd like to draw your attention. For almost 10 years, power as a sector, these are the best performing sectors in each year, the ones which are in green and highlighted. They're the best performing sectors in each year. Clearly, the last 12 years, the consumption boom has meant consumer discretionary is something which is done best for 5 to 6 years. But there's one interesting chart there or interesting point there. If you look at power or if you look at healthcare for 10 years from 2010 to 2019 was not the best performing sector in any of the years. And suddenly healthcare, because of COVID outbreak, was the only sector probably which was positive meaningfully in 2020 when there was carnage because of COVID. And then the subsequent 2 years, power sector in India was hated. And then power sector started to do well over the last 2 years. So when you least expect something to do well, it ends up doing well. It is lonely to be against the herd. Many of you would have heard this term, right? It is very lonely to feel against the herd and it feels almost that you are wrong. If you stand up for the right and everyone else is wrong, you'll say, maybe let me go with the herd, it's just easier, even though you know you are right. And that's where in investing, if you look at it in front of you, many people did not invest in power stocks despite power being extremely cheap.
Thanks for your detailed answer. If you have any doubt regarding this or any other financial or investment decision, don't hesitate to book an appointment with our financial expert. The link to the appointment is given in the description below. And also, would you like to know more about finance and investment? Then we would recommend you to attend our live webinar. The link to the webinar is also given in the description below. The webinar is absolutely free. If you like this video, hit like, and if you are new to our channel, please do subscribe.